Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got.
Well, today we're going to look at the Star Wars Cantina action scene diorama kit. They did a series of these Star Wars dioramas in sort of mid-80s for Return of the Jedi, and they did a few more later, and then they were re-released in the 90s or even early 2000s, and this was in amongst those re-releases, but it was never one that was released originally, so this was a unique one. The box art, I was never particularly keen on this style of box art. I preferred the original. It gives you a sort of idea of what the kit's going to be, but it's not really very accurate. So you've got some artwork with all the different characters on from the Cantina, and it makes it look like a big old crowded scene like in the movie. The side of the box shows you some made up ones, very basically painted. And then the instruction sheet gives you a rundown of the characters you get with basic painting guide. Shows you all the different people with their names. Dr. Everson and Zati. Okay. All the different characters in the Cantina. So it's quite nice. And then on the other side it shows you the basic layout. It's a platform base, and you get various tables. You've got the bar and the drinks dispenser. It's compared to some of the other kits, this one's quite basic, but let's I'll bring the completed model up and we'll have a look at it. So here's the finished kit. When I say finished, I'm going to try and super detail it. This is sort of made from the box as is. So you've got like Chewbacca talking to the bartender, and then you've got Luke and Obi-Wan being annoyed by is his name Ponda Baba? I think it is, something like that, and Dr. Everson, or the ugly fella. And over here you've got Han Solo with the two twins, and the weird band that only know one tune. If we go from the other side, you can have a look. There's old Ben and Luke. There's Guido, not shooting first. Hammerhead guy. That's the not Max Rebo, that's Return of the Jedi. This is Figwin Dan or something, the band. There's him. Little Jawa, Chewbacca. It's a really nice kit actually. It's quite basic. It's not a very crowded Cantina, but it is nice. I've got a few of the others. I've got like the Hoth scene, which I'll do a little video on. So let's have a look at some of the figures. This is focus. So Ben Kenobi. They're really nice, detailed figures. I've got the an original Jedi sealed Jabba's throne room that they did, and the figures in that are nowhere near as nice as these. A bit more cartoony, says Han, looking a little bit Frankenstein-y. You've got like Chewie. That's my Chewie impression. Oh, there's the devil guy sat in the corner. No one likes the devil, so he's just moping. But yeah, it's a nice kit. They seem to go for stupid money now. I think I paid about £10 for this about 18 months ago. Lucked out on eBay. It was I bought this, the Dagobah Yoda's house, and the sealed Jabba's throne room, and I think it was 25 quid all in for the lot. But I enjoyed making it. It was quite a nice little build, but I'm a sucker for dioramas, so what I'm going to do is sort of try and put little detail in as and when I'm doing it, like posters on the wall, things like that. Try and get some more figures, perhaps use some Airfix figures to just bulk it out. But yeah, it's really nice. If you see one, it's worth picking up. But I hope you enjoyed looking at the Cantina. Sorry, I'm in my own light there. I hope you enjoyed looking at the Cantina, and if you If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe, and next time I'll try and do the Hoth one and we can do a little comparison. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then, bye.